This is a topic that we've done before in Tech Tips, but we wanted to remind you that Safari on the iPad can now use or show all of the Google apps for education. So right in Safari, you can use a desktop version of Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Classroom, Google Drive, you name it. Safari can now do that. So what I mean by that is right now you have apps. You have a Google Drive app, you have a Google Slides app, you have a Google Classroom app. You can instead just start using Safari. There are a few kinks, a few hitches, but in general, you can get the full desktop version. So things that are lacking in the app will no longer be lacking on Safari. The full desktop version of all the Google apps just by using Safari. Let me show you what I mean. Here we are in Safari, and we're in Google. Now, one of the hitches or the glitches in all of this, normally we go up to the waffle and we click on that, and then we click on the app that we want to use, so Google Classroom. But if you have the app downloaded on your iPad, it will default to the app by clicking on it. So to illustrate that, here we have Google Classroom app opened up when I hit that, and Safari hasn't done anything yet. Instead, you can do a couple of things. One, you can do a search for Google Classroom here and just choose the first link, or you can type in the address bar, start typing classroom.google.com. And then what you'll notice is the full desktop view, so what you see on your Mac and not the app view. So there's one thing. I also wanted to show slides. So if we go to slides.google.com or just do a search for Google Slides, notice the full desktop view, and as you bring up one of your slides presentations, you get all of the options that you had before. So for example, if we go to insert, before you couldn't insert a video, now we can. And there's a lot of great options that are lacking in the app that you can get on Safari. It's worth checking out. It's worth having your kids checking out. Thanks.